What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video just gonna be installing our oil catch can, all right, y'all, or oil separator, whatever y'all want to call it, same exact thing. All right, as y'all remember in the last video, we ended up doing our oil change on the car. All right, so I was gonna do that in the same video, but I didn't want the video to be too lengthy, CEEFAM. So now just finna show y'all how to install it, man. Very straightforward install, y'all. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too bad. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna get into it, man. Look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Look, bro, car look good back there, y'all. This boy look nice. But hey, let's get as y'all see, we have our J&L oil separator. Right, this boy look real good, great quality. Like I said, y'all, I was definitely gonna see about getting this painted green or something, y'all, but I forgot who said this, but somebody was like, nah, just keep it black because it'll give it more of a stock look. So I was like, all right, cool. So I'm gonna just keep this boy black. It look real good, man. Good quality. It's like aluminum finish, right? So pretty good, strong quality. So put that down in the package, y'all. You're gonna get your bracket. All right, so obviously it's going to be mounted just like this, right, straight up. And then they're also going to give you 2 mounting screws as well, y'all. Right, so you got 1, you got 2, and then there's also 2 other Phillips head screws that you're going to place on top of this, right? So you're going to screw those 2 screws in right on top of here. So that's that, y'all. Honestly, there's no real instructions, CEEFAM. I don't know why, but as I said, it's pretty straightforward. Come with a little J&L separator sticker. I'm not gonna put it on the car unless they sponsor you, boy. But pretty much, y'all, we're gonna be working in this little area, this little pocket right here. All right, CEEFAM, so I got y'all boys propped up. First things first, just gonna take this cover off, right? Good supercharged Hemi cover. Take that boy smooth off. Next thing you want to do, so we're pretty much just gonna be working with this little hose that's right here. All right, y'all, so there's it's like a pin or like a little button right here, pretty much, that you're gonna press down, and then in turn this should just pop right off. So yeah, I know it always sounds easier than what it is, but let me try this boy, man. People with big hands, bro, suffering, dog. Always. Yeah, that bit hot. Nah, there's no way. Ain't no way I'm getting that. Nah, hold up, y'all. Let me see. Try to get this bit off, boy. Sheesh. Got that bit off. Then yeah, I'm gonna turn this boy over here. And on this one, there's like a little pin that's right here, and it pretty much goes from left to right. So yeah, let's take this boy off next. Yeah, I'm keeping everything in the video too, y'all. Everything. Voila, just like that, y'all. We got this boy smooth out, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. So I just finished driving the car, y'all. This boy was hot. So I'm working with a hot engine right now. Everything hot right now, y'all. So yeah, bear with me. All right, next thing you want to do, CEEFAM, is just grab one of your bolts or one of your nuts, whatever you want to call it, man. Watch out, bro, watch out. Grab one of these that came with the kit, and then whenever you thread this on, CEEFAM, you're pretty much gonna want to thread this on backwards, right? So pretty much it's gonna go on just like this. So yeah, gonna do that right over here. So yeah, there's your supercharger belt, and then underneath the belt there's this little, I think this is the water pump right here, I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, it's pretty much gonna go right there, y'all. So yeah, be mindful, man. If you got big hands, y'all, it's gonna suck trying to get through here, y'all. But yeah, do not drop this boy at all. Like I said, I'm working with a hot engine right now, y'all, so it's not the smartest idea, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, on to the next step. Once you tighten up this little bolt that's right here, y'all, you have to use a 15, whether it's a wrench or whatever, right? This is just a 15 mil screw, pretty much, y'all. So yeah, just tighten it briefly. You don't have to go crazy on it, y'all, but just get it nice and snug. And once you got that good, y'all, next is the bracket. All right, so you want to put the bracket with the letters readable facing you. All right, so this should go pretty much just like this right here, CEEFAM. All right, like I said, the letters facing you. Please don't be crazy and put it like this, and then you wondering why you can't get the oil catch can to fit in there. So boom, next thing, put this right here on there, and then you got to take your other screw, and then you're gonna mount this screw pretty much like this. Boom, this boy is gonna go right there, y'all. So stay with me while I get this boy on there. next step, just want to get this right here onto the actual bracket. All right, y'all. Now I must say this right here is probably going to be one of the hardest things to do, because you got to get all of this in this tight area. All right, so pretty much what I'm about to do is, right, so and stay with me, I'm gonna put this one through the back, right, because this one is gonna have to go back and on top of here. All right, so stay with me. And then this one right here, this short one, is gonna have to go right back, and y'all can't see this, but right under here, pretty much under here. All right, y'all, so like I said, stay with me, because yeah, this is about to be some damn wizardry right here, y'all. All right, so boom, I got this. I might have to put this a little bit over pretty much so that I can get, yeah, separation, but that's fine. All right, and then yeah, only thing we got to do now is just line up the top 2 screws, and then yeah, just put them boys in there, y'all. So yeah, like I said, stay with me, man. This is gonna be interesting, trying to get this boy right. And please, whatever y'all do, do not drop y'all screws, man, because that would be tragic. Like I said, it's just a regular Phillips too, y'all, so nothing too crazy with this. All right, so now that we have our oil catch can fitted onto the bracket, all right, both screws, like I said, are Phillips screws. Now that that's done, now like I said, this fitting right here that's on the right, closest to the C or whatever, the right side, this one's gonna go in the back behind the bracket and around to here. So I'm just gonna put this on, right? So you should hear a snap, right? This one is on there pretty good little snap. Now it's this one down here, which is, I feel like it's gonna give me a problem, y'all. So let me see if I can get this boy out, because it's a weird type of angle, weird type of fitting right here, see fam. So ooh, this one is definitely hard to do, but let me see if I can get my hands in there. It's really not good if you have big hands, see fam, because it's gonna be difficult, but we're gonna see if I can get this on there. Voila, guess I got it, see fam. So it was difficult. I'm not even gonna sit here and cap like it wasn't, but it really wasn't that bad, y'all. So let me see if I can get y'all right here. 1 second, see fam, 1 second. I'm about to try to show y'all how mine is configured. So boom, right here, this right one behind the bracket, around here, you should hear a snap or a click, right? This one ain't going nowhere. And then this left one went in front of this one and right into the manifold, see fam. And like I said, it's in there. I'm pulling on it, I'm tugging on it. I heard a click, so we should be good, y'all. Should be good, man. Yeah, everything should be cool, I think. Yeah, like I said, I'm just tugging on it right now, pulling on it. Right, so a couple days, I'm gonna definitely just drive the car and see, you know, if everything's good on it. Are we gonna get oil in here? Shit, I hope so. We better. But if not, if I see some leakage, which I don't think so, y'all, then yeah, should be good, man. So now let me just put this on. Oh, put this cover back on, man. All right, and just like that, see fam, this is the overall finished product right here, you know. So boom, smooth engine bay, right? Pop that boy open, voila, you see this. So some people's, man, so since I have this piece on mine, right, this fitting right here is pretty much sitting like right in front of here, y'all, which I don't think is bad, because this is like plastic or some kind of, you know what I mean. So I don't think it'll like scratch it up or get hot or anything crazy like that, see fam. So I know some people, they'll have like a gap right from this to this piece right here, you know. But like I said, mine sits literally flush right in front of it. You know, this is easily accessible, man. If I need to just twist it left, twist it right, I can check it, dump it out, whatever I need to do. So yeah, just a last recap, man. This one goes down into the manifold, right? You should hear a click. This one behind here, voila, right here, man. So yeah, like I said, not a bad install, man. This right here is something, if you want to invest in your engine, if you want to invest, well, not even invest in your engine, right? Like invest in the longevity of your engine, man. I would suggest definitely getting an oil separator, bro. J&L. Got this off Amazon too. I'll probably put the link in the description of where I got mine from, y'all. But yeah, hey, this boy look good though, man. You know, something that I might do, CEEFAM, right? Since I rock with y'all so much, bro. Something that I might do, y'all. I might unbox my brand new wheel that I got too, y'all. So, like I've been telling y'all, right? Your boy got another wheel, right? They replaced, I think it was this wheel right here, because, you know, see the chipping of the paint, and I don't know, I think it's a combination, y'all, of the weather and the water, and I don't know what it was, y'all. But so yeah, I have another wheel, CEEFAM, so I might unbox that with y'all for y'all, you know. And then this one right here too, you see, paint just chipping. This isn't even like curb rash, y'all, I promise. See, paint is just chipping away. You know, whenever I had got these right here put on here, well, I lie. It was something, I had got these changed. I think I put winter tires on. I had summer tires. I had to put winter tires on. Whenever I had got them done, if y'all remember, man, my guy that had helped me, he had messed up my damn wheel. So I don't know if I want that wheel to replace this one, or if I want the brand new wheel to replace the other one that I showed y'all, right? Because this one right here, the face is messed up. See, boom right there, boom right here, you know, boom right there too. So on this one right here, the face is messed up, and I feel like this wheel, the driver's side wheel, this is where people gonna look at, right? I go to a car show, I pull up to an event, something like that, CEEFAM, people gonna look at this wheel first. So since the face of this one is messed up, and only pretty much is like, this is the barrel, right? Pretty much the barrel just need to get, you know, paint touched up or whatever. I might just fix this one and then replace the brand new one with this one. So yeah, we're gonna see. All right, y'all, hey, let's get into it. So like I said, this is our brand new wheel, man. So now we pretty much got 5 wheels, CEEFAM. So if y'all boys see, Ferrata, this boy heavy. It's a big 22. Big 22, CEEFAM. So look, let's get right into it, bro. Honestly, I've been had this wheel, y'all, forever now. I just never really did nothing to it, but I'm excited. Shit, I remember whenever I got these boys in California, shit, I was happy. So yeah, 22 by 11. Ooh. Hey, these boys is nice. Let me show y'all. Like I said, Ferrata, man, one of the best for sure. You know, I'm not sponsored by these guys or nothing, but yeah, they pretty much covered this for me, CEEFAM, under warranty too, y'all. 22 by 11. I should have claimed 2 of them, but I didn't. You know, it's cool. So yeah, boom. Look at this boy, man. Good packaging, nice wrapping, everything on this boy is nice. Sheesh. 22 by 11, dog. And it looked like came with another cap. I was about to say, hold on, boy, where my cap at, y'all? Hold on, Ferrata, boy. I rock with y'all. Y'all know I rock with y'all, you hear me? Got the gold Ferrata cap, man, or bronze, whatever y'all want to call it. What else it come with in here? Man, look at this. For sure, need that. Put some air in that boy. But yeah, that's pretty much that, CEEFAM. 22 by 11. You know, this boy, Ferrata. I forgot which ones these are, y'all, but hey, it's a deep concave now. Deep concave for sure. That's why I really love these. But, oh, hold on. I'm going to put y'all boys down. It's a bit heavy. You know what? Your boy in the army, man. I could pick this bit up. 1, 2, 3, hey! Lift with your legs, not your back, CEEFAM. But yeah, let's get this boy by the whip. Oh. But yeah, pretty much, yeah, need that boy. For sure, I need that boy. Yeah, I don't know when I want to get this boy on too, CEEFAM. I have no idea. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all boys smooth unboxing. Feel like I never did something like this before, ever, you know. This is also my first, no, it's my second time getting new wheels. So, but yeah, I should have claimed my 2 front wheels. But like I said, I think I'm gonna put this one right here on the driver's side since the face of this one is messed up. And then I might, since they're all like the same size, I might put the one that's on the passenger side in the back and then put the back one in the front. Since they're all the same size, to me it don't matter. I don't know. But yeah, that might be the move, CEEFAM. But just wanted to show y'all boys that's interested, you know, 22 by 11 all the way around. It's pretty much it, CEEFAM. Your boy. Man, I don't know if I should have really painted this boy green or not, but I'm gonna take y'all word for it. Next, what I really want to do, y'all, is the supercharger, man. Definitely want to do the supercharger. When? I don't know. But the only thing I'm contemplating, bro, is just taking off like the bolts and having to undo this just to get to the rear ones. And yeah, that's the only thing, y'all. And I don't know if I really trust a shop that's gonna do it and that's gonna do it right. You know, we got a lot of shops in Germany that's like, you know, that can paint and all that, but so it might be up to me to just do it right and do it light, you know. But yeah, CEEFAM, hey, that will definitely conclude today's video, man. I don't know, like whenever I'm still talking in front of y'all, I still get nervous, bro. You know what I mean? I don't know why, CEEFAM. Like, it's like my almost 300th video, man, and shit, I still get nervous, bro. But hey, that's it. You know, hopefully y'all boys learned something, man. Like I said, this install was really like light and slight, bro. Like, this is really easy. You know, we've done harder stuff like this on the channel, right? Let me know what y'all think about the wheel. Should I put the new wheel right here on this side where the face is messed up, or should I just put it on the other side where the barrel is messed up? I think the other side is just quick paint, touch up, whatever like that. But the face is hard because, yeah, the material and where it's damaged at, it's really hard to like find somebody here that can do it. But yeah, hey, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm C-Will, y'all my CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby.